With the advent of AI, it has become even easier to create content. You can now run a faceless YouTube channel without ever showing your face. All you need are a few simple AI tools and you're good to go. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate any photo completely free using AI tools. We're basically going to bring a static image to life, turning it into a full video animation. No experience needed. Just a few simple tools like ChatGPT, Dreamface AI Video Generator, and Google AI Studio. If you don't have these tools, pause this video and head over to your Play Store or App Store to download ChatGPT and the Dreamface AI Generation app. Google AI Studio isn't an app, it's a website, so you'll access that from your browser. So, let's get started.
Now, the first step is to generate an image like this one. As I mentioned earlier, I used ChatGPT to generate this image. To do this, the first thing you're going to do is to open your ChatGPT app on your phone menu. After that, you're going to tap on this plus icon. Then these options will pop up. Click on photos and this will automatically take you to your phone gallery. Now, in the gallery, you're going to select the picture you want to work with. For me, I want to work with this picture right here, so I tapped on it. The picture will automatically pop up on the ChatGPT like this. At the bottom right here, you are going to type your prompt to create an avatar of this picture. So here is the exact prompt that I use. You can copy this prompt and use it or tweak it as you like. That is, you should add some things or remove some things that you want it to appear or not to appear in the image. So here is my prompt. Let me read it out loud. Generate a 3D image with this photo. She is sitting in a YouTube studio background with a microphone facing a camera. She is wearing an off-shoulder top and a face cap with a red YouTube logo on it. Make sure her hands are visible so she can demonstrate gesture, and the aspect ratio should be 16:9. Just perfect for YouTube video. Based on this prompt, ChatGPT will generate the image, but it might take a while to process, especially if you are using the free version. As you can see, I am using the free version of ChatGPT, but once it's done, click on save and it will save automatically to your phone gallery. So this is the image that ChatGPT generated for me. I think I'm cool with this image, but if you're not cool with what ChatGPT generated, you can always retype your prompt and add whatever you want to add to it to give you the image that you want. So since I'm cool with this image, I'm just going to click on the image, then I'll further click on save, and this will automatically save on my phone gallery. Next up is to animate the image. To do this, open the Dreamface AI Video Generation app, and this is what the interface looks like. There are so many features to work with, but since we want to animate this image to a video, tap on Image to Video. Further click on Add Image, and this will take you directly to your phone gallery. Now go ahead to click on the image you generated earlier and click on Confirm, and this action will automatically load up the image on the app. Now at the bottom right here, you will need to enter a short prompt describing what you want the image to do. Because we want this image to represent you on the screen, type this in the prompt box. Make her talk like a presenter, eyes on camera, with both hands gesturing as she explains some things to the viewers. After that, click create and the app will start animating the image. This will take a few seconds, and once it's done, you will have a short video of your animated character. Now the next step is to add audio to bring this character fully to life. Now you're going to click on lip sync at the top right corner here. You will see this option to choose a voice character, either male, female, or a child. If your avatar is a female, go ahead and select one of the female voices. You can preview each one by tapping the play button before choosing anyone you like. Once you picked the voice you want to work with, tap on I want avatar to say or sing, and this option will pop up. You can test, you can record your own voice or import an audio file. For this tutorial, we are going to be working with an imported audio file, which we will create using Google AI Studio. Now to do this, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio on the search bar. Click on the first result and wait for it to load. Once it loads up, click on Get Started. Then further click on New Chat. After that, select Generate Native Speech with Gemini. Then tap on this icon right here and choose Single Speaker. After that, go ahead to select the voice you want to use. There are many voices you can choose from, either male, female, or child. Make sure you go through the voices and play them, then select the one you want to work with. I want to work with this voice, so I just click on it. After selecting your voice, now in the text box, type or paste your prompt. For me, I already have all my prompts typed out and saved somewhere, so I'm just going to locate where I saved my prompt. Then I copy the prompt and I went on to paste it right here. So this prompt right here is what AI will turn into speech. Once you are done, click on Run and it will generate your voiceover.
With the advent of AI, it has become even easier to create content. You can now run a faceless...
When the voiceover is ready, make sure you listen to it to make sure that there is no mistake and the voice is very clear and sound. When you are okay with the voiceover result, click on this three dots right here, then further click on download. This voiceover is going to download and it will be saved in your file. Now that we have our voiceover ready, let's go back to Dreamface AI to animate the avatar. Back here in Dreamface AI, click on Import Audio and select the voiceover you just downloaded. Click on Confirm and it will load up immediately. Although it might take a few moments to load, but once it's ready, your avatar will be fully animated, talking, gesturing, and synced perfectly with your voiceover.
With the advent of AI, it has become even easier to create content. You can now run a faceless YouTube channel without ever showing your face.
But because we are using the free version of the Dreamface AI, it can only take 30 seconds of the voiceover. So you might need to repeat the process to complete the seconds or minutes that the voiceover lasted. This is because we are using the free version of the Dreamface AI. Download the final video and it will be saved in your phone gallery. After downloading your video, you will notice a watermark at the bottom of the video that carries the Dreamface AI. Now, to remove this watermark, there are two ways to go about it. The first one is to crop it out. On your phone gallery, tap on the video, then further tap on this scissors icon in the video. On this option right here, you are going to select aspect ratio and select your aspect ratio to be 16:9. Now you're going to adjust the frame using your fingers until the watermark is completely cropped out. Once that is done and you're okay with the results, go ahead to click on save and this will save your video. Now the second option is to use CapCut. Import your video into the CapCut app. Once the video is fully imported, there are two things to do here. You can either add a subscribe logo to cover the watermark, or you can add your channel name to cover the watermark. So if you want to use the subscribe button to cover the watermark, go ahead to click on test, then you'll see the space for sticker, then tap on it. Now you're going to select the subscribe logo you want to work with, then you're going to use your fingers to adjust it to make it bolder, then you use it to cover the watermark. Or if you want to use your channel name to cover the watermark, on your test option, go ahead to type your channel name. You can go ahead to change your font. Make sure your font is bold and readable. After that, click on style, then further click on background. Now you're going to add background to your channel name so that it can completely cover the watermark. You can adjust the color, you can tweak on the size and all of that. Once you are okay with what you have done, go ahead to perfectly cover the watermark, and that's pretty much about it. Once you are done, go ahead to export and save the final result. And that's it. You have just created a fully animated AI video from a single photo, completely free.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you're new here, my name is Dorothy, and I share tools, tutorials, and tips to help you grow your YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and turn on the bell notification so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. For now, bye! See you in the next one!